Try. Oh!
I'm October, so I'm not
Nice. Oh my god. That's like a little ride. Good morning, everybody. Another day here in Hawaii. Look how beautiful this looks. So it is about, let me tell you what time it is right now. 7:04. So that's 9 a.m. California time. I'm drinking my pre-workout right now. Me and my dad are gonna go for a run. My sister's still fixing the coffee machine. She's the real engineer in the family. You fixed it. There you go. Oh, look at all those coffee beans. Hey, is this Estrella or Fiona?
Well, she's coming this morning.
She smelled the coffee.
No, starting when I do the gelatina, they come and say meow, meow. I gotta keep putting food.
She wanted gelatina too.
See, it's working.
Nice, good job, Gata. So your job is to come every 6 months minimum.
Every 6 months.
for maintenance.
Maintenance coffee.
Yeah, that looks really good, but I got pre-workout. Yeah, I think it did rain. Don't wake him up.
Let's go for a run. Pensé que ya no vivías.
He said 5 more minutes. Okay, the pre-workout is kicking now. I never ran outside actually. Last time I was here, I was like, I'm definitely gonna go run and jog, but dang, I was lazy. But now, like, I'm trying to take it a little bit more serious, so that's why I bring my pre-workout, and I actually bring stuff while I travel to keep it up. Like even when I go to Louisville, Kentucky, I always take my pre-workout, my protein, all that good stuff, but I still eat kind of horribly, but that's still my problem. Oh, what happened to all your limes? Uh-huh. Oh yeah, there's some right there. There's one right there, right there. Oh, there's a bunch right there. Oh wow.
Over here, look over there, so you go from the
They look fresh. Which way do we run? That way? Or this way? How far is it?
2 hours walk.
2 hours? Oh shoot. I don't know if I could do 2 hours. Do you want to walk a little bit and then jog, or do you want to watch me jog? Luckily there's not a lot of cars go back and forth, so I don't want to get run over.
That's my first time walking here, maybe.
Oh really? We gotta do this every day.
I know. Oh, so Pablo can drive on a bike.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we can run. I like to go.
Yeah, you have 2 bikes over there, right?
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, we can do that too. Early morning while Gata and Richard are still sleeping. And Pablo. I just finished running, and wow, that was a really great run, really great views. A lot of people were running too. That was awesome. I was like running behind like an older couple. There were like maybe like 2 couples, so there's like 4 people like jogging. They're probably like in 70s or 80 years old, and I was just following them behind them just to, like, you know, jog it, but I also didn't want to be a creep. I finally got to wear my big island shirt. Look at this. Isn't this so cool? I don't know if you guys can see the back. Let me put you guys right here. Cool. My dad made some pistachio gelatina from the little packets that I brought him somewhere. He put it away. And he's also making shrimp for later tonight. It smells delicious. He put a bunch of this. So good. My dad's a cook. Right, Dad? You cook a lot? You need an apron. We just dropped off the car rental, so my dad... We're gonna use my dad's car. Ugh. made it. That's hot.
Remember when you squished my finger in the...
I did?
Yeah, when I was little?
I squished your finger?
Yeah, in the door. And Mom was pissed at you.
Oh, really? I don't remember that.
It was really bad.
Did your nail come off? Oh, I think I remember now.
I was little.
Yeah.
Little.
You were just a couple years old.
Yep, and you squished my finger.
Sorry. Yeah, but it's still kind of hot and humid over here. But the cool thing is I got to wear my cool shirt. Yeah. No? Who'd he beep at?
His friend.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was like, hey, this guy. And he beeps at him, and then nothing happened. And then he called him.
Uh-huh.
And he's like, hey, like, I just saw you, like, blah, blah, blah. He's like, oh, that's you in the white car? He's like, oh, stepping it up, huh?
Stepping it up.
And I was like, I can't believe you still drive that thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, yeah, this.
This is the place we're gonna eat, Ruben's Mexican food, because my dad's very picky with his food, and he always loves Mexican food. Oh, I broke the door. Look at this. The number keeps increasing because of my dad. Hello. How many of you? 4. I'm freaking starving. Look at the menu. You guys want anything? Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, look at this. They put it right on top of my enchilada. My dad got the same. Oh yeah, that's on top of it too.
Yeah, make it warm.
Make it warm, yeah. Looks like soup. Looks like they got enchiladas and quesadillas over there. It does look like soup.
Just regular.
There it is.
If you feed them twice.
I think the picture looked better.
You want to try it?
You first.
I'll take the little spoon.
Yeah.
Where is it fried?
I think it fell off. It's right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But just try to mix it up.
Reese, you're having a fish burrito?
Eat it.
Right.
Is it good? It's good?
It tastes like cinnamon.
Wait, where is it fried?
Right there.
I don't see it.
That's a trick.
What part of it is fried? But what is it like?
It's like churro, like a churro.
Yeah. There's a lot of cool stores here, so we're gonna go ahead and check out some stores here. And I'll probably buy a few things for people back in the mainland, California. Ooh, it smells delicious in here.
I'm October, so I don't know.
Nice. It's a good one.
A little music.
Just one. That one has just one.
Oh god. They sound pretty.
It's hollow.
It went like this.
It's hollow in there. It goes like, ooh, this is cool. Imagine having a robot hand.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a kazoo. Give me that. There you go.
I think you wanted those.
It's really cool, huh? And then you can have a long sweater, and you can put it inside. You can put it inside. Scratch your back. My dad wants to buy this right here. By the way, this is hand painted. Look at the cat. Got small hands.
In the wall, well, you know, it's in the wall, and then whatever it is.
Yeah. Yeah, Pele on your wall, huh?
Yeah. My sister brought her big vlogging camera as well.
This is crazy, como loco.
Look at her cool little hat. Oh, my little sister. She's not so little, she's taller than me.
This is my little brother.
So I call her little sister, but she's taller than me, and she calls me her big brother, and I'm smaller.
They said, boy, bring my little brother. And they said, what is your little brother? And then,
Did you fix it?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out.
Uh-oh. Did you get the batteries from Dollar Tree? Does that mean it works?
Yeah. You want me to take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not even the right one. Gotta do it again.
What? What do you mean? This is us. This is me and Dad. It's because we have black shirts.
You get him.
Okay, hold on. Do it again.
Sure.
Okay, that one would actually work.
Let me see.
That was you gotta let it
Breathe.
yeah. You just gotta leave it.
So this is us, and then this is us now.
You gotta not touch it.
Oh really? Oh, it's going.
It's supposed to develop.
appearing. It's like getting your nails done. Oh look, we're appearing. Oh, that is so cool. Hey, that's a good one. Look.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming.
You see it? How much is the film? I'll buy you more. How much is the film?
Yeah, dude, $13.99 for 2 sets.
Oh, okay, it's not bad.
I have this camera, and then I have this one that Richard bought me, and then I bought one that you can convert pictures on your phone into these Polaroids.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So I have, when I bought the two, I put one in that camera and one in this one, but I only brought this one.
Got it. Cool. We should take more pictures like that when we go to Honolulu. We need more.
I like vintage, huh?
Yeah.
I'll leave you $100 so you can buy more.
Yeah.
That's like
Allowance. Look at this. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
It does look like kind of old school. They look like conchas, squished conchas. Right? Oh yeah, right there too. Yeah, those look good. Look at that. Look at all the juices they got right there. Cool. This one here, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Thank you. Chai. The chai looks like horchata.
Yeah, that's why I like chai.
No wonder. Yeah, it does taste like that. Do you want some of this there? Try it. My dad doesn't really like sugary stuff. He's always drinks his coffee black.
Or alcohol.
Or alcohol, yeah. His reaction said everything. His reaction said, too sweet for me. Huh? A little bit, yeah. You also taste it? I kind of want to try this ube one.
Butter?
Yeah. You want to try one?
You can try this one.
Okay. Look at this one.
There's ice cream that was like that too.
Oh, really? Dude, look at this ube one. Looks good. They all look good. Even this mochi, look at this. Dang, I was falling asleep driving. It's like the food coma and the coffee.
That's old dog. This is sweet. This one is. Way over here. I'll come up.
Okay. Alright, we made it back home. I got some stuff. I got some stuff to take back home. My dad got his, you know, that big volcano thingy or whatever it was. We got some mangoes from the farmer's market. Oh, yeah, see, I told you it works.
You want some?
Thank you, sir. Oh, I thought this was the other one. Oh, oh, you got it. Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it. Try. Oh!
Accidente.
Don't worry, you're gonna learn.
Accidente no sirvió.
Yeah.
No sirvió, me accidental.
You forgot the rest. Alright, let's go ahead and try this butter mochi. This ube smells so delicious and it's so squishy. It almost looks like tofu. Mmm. Oh my goodness, very delicious, very sweet. Tastes just like ube. Mmm. Oh, I savored like every single second. So my dad just bought a big tree. They just brought it right now. So we're gonna pull it out of the truck and see if we can plant it. I think that's the goal from what I heard. I could have misunderstood. But I think he wants to put it somewhere around there. I wanted to show you guys from the top. Look at that. The tree's right there and that's the truck. So we're gonna pull that all the way to the back and take it down. Yeah, careful with all the corn. That's funny. It took them a while to plant all those, right? It's kind of hot out here.
roll over.
I'm gonna roll back.
A little bit.
Back.
A little bit. Good. Okay. Coming down.
It's a cool little truck.
You got a shovel?
It's a cool little truck.
Oh yeah, thank you. Good fun.
Oh, we can land in that. No, but it's, you know, they only need the roofs. So
Yeah, I know. It's up to
put
you.
it, put the roofs right here. And put it on the new roofs.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think it's good, yeah.
Yeah, for a couple days you'll be alright.
I hope no.
The other one on the other side is
What was, that was 2 or 3?
It's 3.
Oh,
There's a small one. This is the one. I was afraid it would blow out. I brought you some moss too. Yeah, it's not my fault. You want me to- no, part of it. I got half. You
Nice.
just lay him down?
Pretty much over.
Okay. This next one on this side. Or maybe this little one.
For nothing. Too much room for nothing.
Come on now. Let's get a shovel. Okay. Flip it over. You and I can pick it up.
Okay.
And we're up. It's a dump bed. That's yours. Trailer you bought?
The more you got there for the more to bring for me. The rest and stuff. I got here for myself.
Oh, he's bringing his tractor.
There he comes with this toy.
Want me to move?
And they always say don't drink and drive.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
That's the one up and down. So you were straight down. You up and down. Down and there. You keep it there. If you move it that way, it's a shovel.
This is for a shovel? Okay, and this is up and it's down. Okay, cool.
And this is forward and this is reverse.
And then how do you brake?
This one eventually no need to go slowly. You can, I need to.
Hold on. This up, right? Oh my god. It's like a little ride. Alright, there, that's good enough. go.
This is like the mall.
You want coconut? There's a lot. Oh my god! It was killed. What's it? Oh, here. Put that over